Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you find our videos helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified whenever we drop new content. Alright, let's dive right in. Today, we're talking about the asset turnover ratio. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds like a mouthful, but don't worry, we'll break it down into pieces. Let's start with a super basic question. What is an asset? Well, it's anything a company owns that can be used to produce goods or services. So, if you are a pizza shop, your oven, ingredients, tables, and chairs, they're all assets. Next up, turnover. In a financial context, turnover is how quickly a business can use its assets to generate sales. Think of it like a pizza oven turning out delicious pies. The faster it can do that, the higher the turnover. So, the asset turnover ratio, in simple words, is a measure of how effectively a business is using its assets to generate sales. This is a very crucial ratio as it can give you an idea of the operational efficiency of a company. The formula for this ratio is quite straightforward. It's simply the company's total sales or revenue divided by its total assets. So, let's say a pizza shop makes $500,000 in sales a year and has $250,000 worth of assets. The asset turnover ratio would be $500,000 divided by $250,000, which gives us a ratio of 2. This means that the pizza shop generates $2 in sales for every $1 it has invested in assets. Understanding the asset turnover ratio can help investors and business owners make more informed decisions. If you're looking to invest, a high ratio might indicate that a company is using its assets efficiently. On the other hand, a low ratio could be a warning sign that a company is not managing its assets effectively. But as with all financial metrics, the asset turnover ratio is just one piece of the puzzle. You should always consider it alongside other indicators and in context with the industry and market conditions. Alright folks, that's all for today. I hope this explanation of the asset turnover ratio has been helpful. Remember, personal finance and investing doesn't have to be intimidating. By understanding these simple terms and concepts, you are already on your way to becoming more financially fluent. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please hit the like button and share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Stay